Can we recover deleted chats on Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be answering a big question. That is, can we recover deleted chats on Instagram in 2025? So here, let's break it down. So let's start with the question that is, can we see deleted chats directly? So the answer is no. So here, once you have deleted a chat inside the Instagram, it's gone from the app and you can't just bring it back. And with that, moving forward to the next question that is, can we download our Instagram data? So the answer is yes. And there is the official method to do this. So to do that, simply go to the profile and once in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity section, simply tap on the account center. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as your information and permissions. And now here, from this section, you can simply export your information by requesting a file, and Instagram will send you a link to download your account data, which includes past messages too. And with that, to tell you at the end, you can't directly recover Instagram chats, but you can check them through Instagram data download or linked messenger account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.